Good morning, everyone. Looks like we've woken up to a rainy Sunday. The kind of weather that just slows everything down. Perfect for a lazy day. I thought I'll share with you what I've been reading and take you through what a slow Sunday looks like for me. Don't worry, there'll still be a light workout later. One of my favorite books is Radically Content by Jamie Veron, and there's a passage that really stood out to me. She says, "Life is not a race. If we are always trying to keep up, we never give ourselves the space to heal, to rest, or to actually enjoy the life we have built. Healing isn't a quick fix. So sleep, take breaks, go on vacations. Celebrate the progress you have made, not just the material things. Let life be easy on you for a while. You're not too late, and you're not too old. Wherever you are now, so much can change when you stay open and hopeful." That hit me hard. Because honestly, I feel guilty sometimes if I'm not being productive. Like I've stepped off the running wheel and suddenly I'm wasting time. It's like we've forgotten how to just stay still. But maybe that's exactly the point. Rest isn't wasted time. Catching your breath, being unproductive, even just sitting with your own thoughts. Those moments matter just as much as the hustle. So today, I'm giving myself permission to do less. To sip my coffee, listen to the rain, and recalibrate what really matters. And maybe you can give yourself that same permission too. If you've been running non-stop lately, let today be the day you pause. Today reminds me of another line from Haemin Shumnim's book, The Things You Can See Only When You Slow Down. He writes, "What makes music beautiful is the distance between one note and another. What makes speech eloquent is the appropriate pause between words. From time to time, we should take a breath and notice the silence between sounds." I love that. It's a reminder that pauses, in music or in life, ain't empty. They're what give everything else meaning. If you're new here, hi, I'm Uncle Haiks. This channel is my collection of love letters to life's greatest joys. For me, that's fitness, my crazy travels, and brutally honest reflections on living a meaningful life. Today, I decided to work on legs. Nothing too fancy, just some solid movements to build that bubble butt and stay strong for those brutal 100 wall ball throws. There's something about working out that puts my mind at ease. Maybe it's the rhythm of repeating the same movement or the laser focus it demands. Either way, for that 1 hour, I get to tune out the noise, the emails, the notifications, and just be fully present. And that calm is priceless. If you're just starting out in the gym, take it easy. There's so much content on YouTube to help you with the basics. I still remember being that shy, skinny kid walking into the gym for the first time. Surrounded by huge muscle guys, I was worried that I'll look stupid or do something wrong. It was really intimidating. But like everything in life, you wouldn't get anywhere unless you start. So watch a few fitness creators, learn the basics, and give yourself permission to go at your own pace. Or simply subscribe to Uncle Haiks. I like to finish off every workout with some abs exercises. Get ready, beach board, cause here I come. Finally back home for some lunch. Do any one of you food prep for the week? This time, I made minced beef spaghetti pasta. Super simple, but honestly, one of my favorites because it's quick, easy, and delicious. So that's my quiet Sunday. A little reading, a light workout, and delicious food. How about you? How did your weekend go? Drop it into the comments below cause I love to hear it. That's it for today. Take it easy, slow down, and enjoy life a little. Until next week, see you guys.